Hi, and thanks for enrolling with LendingUSA. We're excited to be your new customer financing solution. To log into LendingUSA, go to LendingUSA.com and click Sign in the top right corner. Then enter your username and password. Welcome to the LendingUSA Merchant Portal, your hub for everything financing related. You can check on applications, review your loan history, view stats, and more. To begin the loan application process, click Apply Now on the left side of the screen. Your customer can fill out the application and check their pre-approval status in just a few minutes. Remember to make sure of 3 things every time a customer applies: that the customer's identity matches the information on the application, that the customer is fully informed of all their loan terms, including their APR and the 8% origination fee, and that the customer is the one who e-signs their loan documents. While LendingUSA can provide pre-approval decisions within seconds of the application, the full decision and funding process can take a few days. During this time, LendingUSA's underwriting and quality assurance teams verify the customer's identity, income, and other information on the application. As the merchant, you can help this process go smoothly by making sure the customer provides a valid, state-issued driver's license or identification card. These are the only forms of identification accepted by LendingUSA, so make sure the customer provides one. You can find important updates on your customer's loans by checking the Action Center in the center of the screen. These will list important to-dos that can help you speed up the financing process. To see a list of your most recent applications and their status, click Applications at the top of the page. You can also sort by status or search by name. You can also use Check App Status on the left-hand side. To look at your loan application history, click the Review Applications tab. The Merchant Portal also has helpful resources to encourage more of your customers to apply for financing. You can find these in Merchant Resources at the bottom of the page. You can download web banners so your customers can apply online or request more brochures for your point of sale. To request a full or partial refund on a funded loan, email your relationship manager with the customer's full name, loan identification number, and the reason for the request. For billing questions, call our billing department at 888-387-7036. Thanks for watching this quick video on the LendingUSA Merchant Portal. If you have any questions about how to use the Merchant Portal, don't hesitate to reach out to your relationship manager by phone or email. You can also click the blue circle in the lower right to send a message. We're looking forward to doing business with you.